Hi there, and welcome to NFORS Analytics Basics. We're going to split off into a little bit something different today. We're going to start a new series called the Metrics series. And what this series is designed to do is teach you exactly how to use metrics that are within the system. So what sort of things can we get with our data? What numbers can we tabulate? And the easiest way to do this is going to be to hop into an enhanced table. And this will be broken down so they're a little more palatable, nothing too long, just a short video. And we'll just build on this table as we go. So first thing first, I'm going to click on Enhanced Table and hop into a table, and we'll use just incident data. I think that's probably the easiest for today. So I'll click on Incident, and my time series, I'm going to click on 30 days, and this will be just a table that we can use to kind of see what options we have out here. Everybody knows count. We've seen that, right? In the last 30 days, we have 854 incidents here. But what I want to focus on today in this video series are all the different metrics you have available to you. So we'll just work our way down the line here. I'm going to click on Add Metrics, and we'll cover the ones that are most applicable to us first. So if I click on Metric and I click on Aggregation, I've got all sorts. I've got average, count, max, median, min, percentile, ranks, a whole bunch. We're going to start right at the top with average. And as you can guess, an average is exactly that, an average. So of these 854 calls, we want the average what? Well, let's look at turnout time. So if I click on turnout seconds here, and I hit play here, we're going to see of these 854 calls, we can see that our turnout time has an average of 74.1 seconds. Good info to have. Right, the next one we're going to look at, we just looked at average, working our way down the line here. We'll look at, we don't know what count, so how about max? And that's going to show us the maximum of the field that we describe. So keeping with the same thing, we know our average is 74.1. What's our maximum turnout time? Or what was the longest turnout time that we looked at in this time period? Click on seconds and I hit play. And we can see that the maximum turnout seconds was just around 397 seconds. So keeping on this same logic here, let's go and take a look at our minimum. What's our fastest? And I bet you it's going to be 0 because they usually turn out to be 0 in our fastest ones here. So turnout seconds. And we can see here we have a turnout of 0 seconds. And that could be somebody was dropped on a call right away before they were even dispatched, or they put themselves on the call, something along those lines. So I'm going to free up some real estate here, and we'll look at a few more of these metrics that we have. We covered average, we know count, we know max. We can look at our median. For us firemen, sometimes we think median and average are the same. And oftentimes they can be different, right? Median can be the one that's right in the middle, the 50th percentile, as opposed to an average, which adds them all up and then divides them. So we have our median turnout time, working our way down the list here. So there you have your count, your average, your max, your minimum, and your 50th percentile. That's going to conclude this video. I want to keep these kind of short so you can digest them nice and easy. And the next video, we'll start to get into percentiles, percentile ranks, and a few of the other options that we have on there. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.